Do you know how big your worksheet is? I mean your workspace. Come with me. Let's see how big it is. Now, the lines that is drawn from up to down, which are these lines, are called columns, while the ones drawn from left to right are rows. I mean the lines that cut across each of the columns, which are the lines that are from up to down, are called columns. The ones that are from left to right are called rows. Now, let's see how big it is. To the left, you have a total of um, XFD, so which means that the columns are lettered while rows are in number. Let's look at rows. You see, the rows has total of 1,048,576. So you see how big and wide your worksheet is. So which means that you can do whatsoever you want to do with your worksheet and you still have enough space. Now the boxes here are called cells. Did you know that? Now subscribe to SME Digital Tools Academy for more tips like this.